Hello හැමෝටම. ඉතින් අර හැව්ලොක් සිටි මෝල් එකේ බ්ලොග් එකේ පාර්ට් 2 එක තමයි දැන් යන්නේ. අපි ගියා රෙස්ටුරන්ට් එකට ඒ වොග් එක. ඉතින් මේ ආවේ අපි කලින් පෙටා බ්ලොග් එක බලලා තියෙන අය දන්නවා ඇති. දාවක්රුවත් තායිගේ රෙස්ටුරන්ට් එකට අපි ආවා. ඉතින් එදා ඕඩර්ස් වලට අපි ආස හිතුන ඩිෂස් අදත් ගන්න තීරණය කරා. ඉතින් අපි බලමු ඉස්සරහට මොනවද වෙන්නේ කියලා. Hope you guys enjoy. ඉතින් මේ රෙස්ටුරන්ට් එක both indoor and outdoors කියන දෙකම තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම විශේෂත්වයක් තමයි මේකට use කරන ingredients ගොඩක්ම ගන්න අර එහා පැත්තේ තිබ්බ අර garden area එකෙන්. ඉතින් ඒ හින්දා authenticity එක 100% sure කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම මේකේ owner Thai lady කෙනෙක්. real Thai taste එක ගන්න පුළුවන් සහ කෑම ගොඩක් රහයි. ඒ වගේම ප්‍රසිද්ධ Thai dishes like mango sticky rice, beef curries වගේ ගොඩාක් දේවල් තියෙනවා. එතනින් තෝරගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට.
Chili sauce, sweet chili sauce.
No, I don't want to see you guys eat. Hey, look it.
That's what it looks like.
Eat it.
It's crispy as well.
Do you see heaven in it?
Very nice.
ඉතින් මේක තමයි අපි අර පෙටා vlog එකේ ගත්තු beef curry එක. ගිය පාර fried rice ගත්තන මේ පාර අපි ගත්තේ steamed rice. ඉතින් මේක පුදුම රහක් තියෙන්නේ. අපි addicted. ඊළඟ පාරත් ගන්නවා. ඒ තරම් රහයි. කොහොම ඇදුවත් දන්නේ නැහැ. පුදුම රහක් තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔයාලත් කොයි වෙලේ හරි කොළඹ වලට ගියොත් අනිවාර්යෙන් try කරන්න දාකුරා Thai එකේ yellow beef curry එක.
The noodles that Minadi ordered is also nice. Yeah? Memory of Minadi. They put less meat, ne?
Today, ne?
I only had like 3 pieces.
ගිය පාර ආවට වඩා prices වැඩි වෙලා තිබ්බා. prices වල ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. කෑම එක රහයි. නමුත් amount එක පොඩ්ඩක් මදි ගතියක් තේරුණා. නමුත් ඒ හැටිත් දන්නේ නැහැ. එදා ප්‍රශ්නයක් දන්නේ නැහැ. කොහමරි price එකට හරියන්න worth amount එක තිබ්බේ නැහැ. But the worth trying is good because it's so good.
Better than heaven.
I don't mind buying this again, coming again here.
Fortune, we should ask if they're halal.
For 3,000, the meat is not enough. This is the best way to eat it. And we are going to try
That's
mango
right.
sticky rice. It's the first time that I'm trying mango sticky rice. Akash has tried it, and did you like it?
Yeah. One of my definitely top 3 desserts in the day.
Oh my god, then
ඉතින් එදා පළවෙනි වතාවට mango sticky rice
I don't like that.
try කරන්න අවස්ථාවක් හම්බුණා. ඉතින් අපි බලමු කැමති වේද කියලා mango sticky rice. First time
Yeah,
trying
I
mango
my
sticky
mom to
rice.
Eat the mangoes and I'll eat the.
Oh really?
Yeah, but she likes to eat it with both together.
Yeah, normally people I have seen that they hate it that it's with mango and the rice, and they loved it after they have it, and they would have it every day.
It's
When they are in Thailand, mostly like a week, if they stay there every day, their morning food will be mango sticky rice, and so less expensive in there, right?
yeah, that's good. And they usually in those countries they would wrap it in a banana leaf and give it. Have you seen? I think Sri Lanka is the best mangoes. You can get it in Jaffna.
Yeah, they have this
Alfonso.
now. So the Raboton name that he say Amarwan. So durian, I don't know, they're everywhere, but I love it. He hates durian.
No, I never eaten durian.
You haven't?
Never.
You should try.
I want to. I want to eat
You
it so
should try.
bad.
Then Aisha hates it, right?
Actually, it's
Of
she hates
course,
everything.
of course.
I'm sure she hates that beef curry also.
Yeah. She'll be like, it's too bland for
She
me.
hates what do you call it? Mango sticky rice.
Really?
She hates it.
And we bought book.
Yeah, for a new semester.
for a new semester.
Don't keep it on. Eh?
Yeah, okay, I'll put it.
This is mine.
This is his. He took the normal one, A5.
Is it April?
And
Yes,
for me, to show off, of course, for the big
see,
one.
I want to use the big, what's this? Is A1?
It's A4.
It's a A4. Yeah, I want to use an A4 book, but our
Tables.
we don't have tables. We
Tables.
have those chairs that have like the small table attachments here, and it's not enough for a big book like that. So it's not nice.
Can refer it again.
Our first subject is
And actually, our semester starts in
Next week.
Monday.
no
It starts Monday. We have lectures on Thursday.
and Friday.
And
Actually, our lectures start on Friday. Thursday we have this mind space special compulsory session.
Yeah.
Can't even miss it.
Yeah.
And our
first
first
thing that we
subject
have
is
is-
establish and conduct business relationship.
Okay.
In water. This is cooked in like sweetened coconut milk. Then they just cut up mangoes. This is also like, it looks suspicious a bit.
I think I'm not gonna like it.
I'm gonna give it. Can you try the
Gives
first
us-
bite?
Like I'm gonna get some cake after this.
It's coconut.
Is it?
What do you think?
I have tried this.
What I do is when I'm alone and I'm eating this, I eat the mango first and then I keep the
But
rice.
it's mango sticky rice, so we have tried it with this. I'm gonna try it now.
Try the rice first, try individually and then.
But I want to try it together first and get the almost reaction. Let's see. The mango is good.
You don't like the rice?
Huh?
You don't like the rice?
The mango is good. I don't know whether I like it or not. It's just rice.
No, it's.
Wait, I'll try the rice.
You don't like it? Unbelievable.
It's just rice for me. I don't like the rice, but I'll have it.
So you give me the rice and you eat the mango.
It's not fair, no? For you? The mango is good, eh?
It's just mango.
මැංගෝ ස්ටිකරයිස්ක එකන්නේ එක්ස්පෙක්් කරට වඩා මහිතුව ගොඩක් එක්ස්පෙක්් කරට එච්චර ඇල්ලුවේ නෑ මට රහයි නමුත් අර ගොඩක් එහෙම ලොකු හයෝස් තිබේ ඉඳ දන්න
People are like saying that it's the best.
සාමාන්‍යයි
But it doesn't. It's like you're basically eating rice with mango.
It's so good. It's so soft texturally. It's the best.
I will accept this if I was sick. Like,
You're sick in the head. Man. Here you eat this
no,
mango.
you eat that.
I don't want a mango.
I cannot deny that. Man, this
Sorry.
thing tastes good.
What? You don't like the cream. This.
I don't like the texture of the rice.
What? So what do you rate it out of 10? This is a dessert you wanted to try since a long time.
I think like 7.
Yeah. So obviously a ketchup.
7 or 6 in between. But I expected like I'd be like, oh my god. Because in like creative videos that I've seen, show us like it's like the best thing that they had and they had it in every morning. I think they just show it to show that it's less expensive so they can buy it.
Yeah, I guess so.
But I won't have it every day though.
Would you have it again?
I will have it again if I like.
800 rupees.
I think it is not worth 1,800 at all. It's a small portion, but worth a try, so it's nice. And
We devoured it.
like the place as well. Look at the amount.
It's a yin yang. It's like
There was
one-
like 5 pieces of mango and 1 tablespoon of rice. 1 tablespoon of rice.
Bring that.
That's it.
That's all for today's vlog.
Today's vlog, and we are gonna go home in a pick me.
8,900.
Huh?
8,910.
exactly that 9,000.
That's good.
Why didn't I charge this? Okay, bye bye.
ඉතින් අපිට ස්ටාර්ට් එකටයි මේන් එකට ඩෙසර්ට් එකටයි ඔක්කොටම 8,910ක් ගිහින් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේ ගාන per 2 person ගාන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. නමුත් මේ පාර පෝෂන් සයිස් එක පොඩ්ඩක් අඩුයි වගේ. බීෆ් කරි එකේ බීෆ් amount එකයි සහ මැංගෝ ස්ටිකි රයිස් එකේ amount එකයි පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු වුණා නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඒ වුණාට worth the try. so ඔයාලට අවස්ථාවක් හම්බුනොත් ගිහින් එකේ enjoy කරලා බලන්න. ඉතින් අදට එච්චරයි. subscribe කරලා like කරලා comment එකක් දාලා share කරන්න. ඔයාලට සුබ දවසක්. bye.
No.
Sorry, we are going to take a retake. Imagine I doesn't listen and we just upload it.
Nico does this. Like times where he wants to cut,
I really
he'll go on like this.
Then we'll also have that cut.